Jai Hind students. Today topic is Microsoft Windows. In this topic we will learn file and folders. What is a file and what is a folder in Microsoft Windows? Identify the different folder created by Windows and explore any computers for files and folders. And last one, how to create file and how to create a folder. You know very well your computer stores information in the form of files. Some are programs and some are files created by you. The files you create are documents, text file, slideshow, audio clips, video clips, images file, database files, etc. Here students, what is a folder? A folder consists of files or folders in it. They are used to organize data. Yes, this is a folder. This is a folder where you keep. This is a file. Inside this, like the file is inside the folder. It is a folder and this is a file. Yes, a folder consists of files or folder in it. And what is a file? A file is a place where information is stored in the different forms like text, images, movies, song clips. These are the files. All files have name, and all files name consists of two parts. First, what you have given that file name, and second, extension to identify the category. The extension show the file, types of file, it. For example, paint. Paint file has an extension of .bmp. Word file has an extension of .docx. PowerPoint file has an extension of .pptx. Windows don't show the extension, but if you want to see it, you can see how I will be showing it. Just I am sharing my screen. Extension of particular folders or extension of files. Very simple. Here is given view. Click on view and choose the options. This window will become, and click on view or hide the extension for no file types and apply it, and then press the OK button. You can see here, there is a given .jpeg, .jpg, .png, and if any other file is there, suppose I have created a new file, Word file is there. See, this extension is .docx. This is the Word file and these are the images files. Suppose a file abc.bmp means it is a paint file. abc.docx means it is a document file, means Word file, Microsoft Word file. abc.pptx means it is a PowerPoint presentation file. .pptx means it is a PowerPoint presentation file. In old version or earlier version, Word 2003 or Office packages 2003 or before that one, the file extension of Microsoft Word is .doc. Now the extension file has changed .docx. In PowerPoint 2003, extension file is .ppt. Now 7 Microsoft Office packages 7 is .pptx. In earlier version like Microsoft Office 2003 was MS Word, extension file is .doc and Microsoft PowerPoint extension is .ppt. But now after that version it has changed. Now Office Microsoft Word 2007 to till version has .docx and PowerPoint presentation extension is .pptx. Usually Windows don't show the extension, but if you want you can see the extension by this method. Now I am sharing, you can see how to find the extension of given files. Yes, here you can see it is the .jpeg, it is the .docx, it is the .bmp and it is the .png. How can you hide and how can you show? Click on view, double click on option and choose the view, and here is a given check hide extension for known file types and click on apply. Very simple. You can see there is a no extension of this file, there is a no extension of this file and also no extension of this file. Now it is a Word file and but you don't know in which category this file is there. So once again I want to show the extension of given files. Click on view, double click on option, one window will be appear. Click on views and choose tick, check, uncheck is there and apply, then OK button. See 9.jpeg new Microsoft Word document .docx untitled.bmp untitled1.png. Now once again I want to hide the extension of given files. View, double click, view and checked, click on apply, or you can also restore defaults and apply OK. Now the hide out the extension. Explore your computers. How can you explore your computers? Window Explorer can be used to view all the file and folders. Suppose I want to see this folder has how many files and this folder has how many files. You can check by this method. Right click on given file or folders and choose the property. Window will become contains 11 files and 3 folders. Come to check 11 files and 3 folders of given this file, given this folder. Okay, double click. See, there is given 1 2 3 and now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 3, it is the 11. Second one, how can explore? Suppose there is a given I want to explore the desktop or explore my PC. See, it is the click on this greater than sign is there, that is the explore button. Click on here, it is the explore the what is the in this PC, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos and networks. These are the explores position. When you have to click on here, it will be explore the desktop, explore the documents, explore the downloads, explore the music, explore the pictures, explore the videos. Yes, this method you can explore it. Second method to explore your files. Very simple. I want to share my screen to see how can you explore your files and folders. Just click on start button and there is a given file explore. Click on this, it will be opened. Like this type you can explore this one, desktop items, downloads, documents, pictures, and these are given. You can explore of this one. And second one method, very simple. Click on that, click on start button, click on all apps and choose here Windows System or Windows Accessories, then click on File Explore. Click on this file. Now you can find here desktop, documents, download, pictures and many files and folders are given. You can click on that folders, whatever in that folders it will be shown. Now children, viewing files and folders in different way. I want to sharing my screen to see how can you view in different way. My file is there. Click on view and there is a given medium icons. When you have to select it, see these are the in medium view. Next one, details. Now this is in the detail forms. See, dot 9 is there. It is a JPG file and what time it has created. New Microsoft Word file and what time it is created and what is the size is here. Next one, content view. See, there is a given in content view. And next one, list view. It is the only list way. Large icons. This is in the form of large icons view. Small icons. It is in small icons view. And extra large icons. It is in extra large icons view. And it is tiles view. Or in a different way, you can use by click of the right click of the mouse button, and there is a given views. Here is a given contain, tiles, details, list, small icons, medium icons, large icons, and extra large icons. Anyone, if you want. Suppose I want to change into large icons. See, it has a change. Extra large. See, now it is in extra large. And next, small icons. Now it is in small icons view. And list. Now it is in list view. Details. Now it is in details view. And tiles. Now it is in tiles view. And content. Now it is in content view. This is a two way to see the view by the right click of the mouse button or click on the views. One more is here. There is a given. Suppose I have to select large icons, but I want to click on here. See, it has changed. Click on here, it will be changed. See, suppose I had a medium or details, and see, click on details and click on this, it will be changed. It is by default selected is large icon. Once again, I want to repeat that if you want to change by this views to thumbnail position, very simple, use the shortcut keys with Ctrl, Shift and +2. And now if you want to say, now this is the thumbnail position, and if you want to change in view position, means in information each about item in the windows, you can Ctrl, Shift and +6. Now its position has changed without clicking this icon. I want to change by the clicking. Shortcut methods use Ctrl, Shift +2. It is the dish position, means thumbnail position. If you want to change in information views, Shift, Ctrl +Shift +6, it will be changed second position, means in view position, item wise position, or item in the windows position. Display information about each item in the window. Files view display a large file type icon on folder icon with up to 2 additional information. And next topic is creating and deleting files and folders. To create a new folder, very simple. Right click of the mouse button on empty area where you want to create a new folder or new files. Then after, on the file and folder task menu, click make a new folder. New folder is created with the default folder selected. Type the name of the folder and then press enter. Your folder has created. Yes, I want to show it. Let us see how can you create a folder. I want to share my screen. See it carefully. Yes, right click of the mouse button. One window will be appear and click on new and choose the folder. See here, new folder has created and press the enter button. Now a new folder has created. As same things, how to create a file? Right click. How to create a file? Suppose I want to create a file of text file or document file, means MS Word file. Right click and choose the new, and there is a given which apps are installed in computers. Some apps are shown here. You can choose. Suppose I want to choose Microsoft Word document and just choose it. See, a new file has created. New Microsoft Word document has created. It's okay? Understood? Yes students, one more method. You can create or you can make a new folder. Once again I want to share my screen to show. Click on home button. There is a given new folder, or you can use Ctrl Shift and N. Ctrl Shift plus N to create a new folder. It is a shortcut method. Or you can click on here. First choose the home button and then choose the new folder. When you have to click on this folder, it will be created where you want. See, one new folder has created. Understood? Okay. And how to create a file? Yes student, let us see. Once again I want to share my screen to show how can you create a file, text file. Right click of the mouse button, window will be appear and choose the new text document. When you will be choose this text document, new text documents will be created. Yes, first right click and choose the new, and then after text documents, if you have choose, it will be created with name new text document. Now you can see new text document has created. Text document is created with the default file name selected. Type the name of the folder and then press enter button. I hope, children, you have understood. Yes, children, in next class we will discuss how to create a copy of file, how to create a copy of folders. In next class, how to delete your files, how to restore your files. Till that, take care students and bye bye.